Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you how to make some DIY Super 8 leader for your film, for your Super 8 film. Alright, so you're going to need some safety glasses, pair of pliers, and this is a cartridge that I used in some previous videos. Okay, so don't throw your Super 8 cartridges of film away. If you get these cheap, and sometimes you can, then you can use this stuff as leader. Okay, so what you got to do is you got to continue on breaking this out of here, and it's really not a walk in the park to do it to per se, but it can be done. So as you can see, this is what's going on here. All right, so you got to continue all the way around and get this stuff pulled out. All right. And that's what you got to do. Alright, so moving on. Now, for those of you who have not seen the inside of a Super 8 cartridge, here you are, and we'll get the rest of that off of there in just a bit. This part you can grab here with the pliers and pull around. As you can see, the film is moving right around there, right? So I got this pulled off right there. Okay. So this part on the spool, I can go ahead and just pull straight out. This particular cartridge of film was just stored so bad, it's terrible. It's just really, really bad. So I can go ahead and use that for a leader. Alright. So get that part out. And we can go for this. So in case you want to see what the pressure plate looks like, this is it. Now this is behind the pressure plate. It was plastic and it goes on behind there. This is a springy part behind the black plastic piece of pressure plate. This part you just pull straight off. Alright, just like that. Okay. So here you can start to see the inside workings and operations of the inside of the cartridge. And if you want to go dig deeper in there, of course you can. Alright. And I can show you the rest of it. Now you can go all the way around with a pair of pliers and just pull this straight off. It eventually just pops off here. And here's some of the parts inside. Alright. So you can start to see some of that. Alright. Here's what I mean. Let's pull this straight off. Okay, see how that works? Just like that. It'll pull off pretty easy. It's a bit firm, but pretty easy. Okay, so there you are. Just like so. Okay. And all this can be used for leader. Alright. So, we're just going to take this. Take it right out. Dump it. See there and there how that operates. Here you have a flimsy disc. Get this piece out of the way. This film is so bad inside. Alright. Now you can use all this for leader. So how? Well, I'm going to show you. It's just a cheap method. Being on, if you're on a tight budget, you can do so. And there you are. Okay, next you want to take a bucket and some bleach and put the film in there. Any type of spool it's attached to, such as this, you can just remove it. Okay, This just pulls right off. All right, that's all that happens, just like so. Okay, just pull that straight off of there. All right, let this sit in here and move it around and add more bleach for about anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so I'm moving this around in here, the film. And if you look really close, it's cleaning it off. So the water's turning black and brown as it should. All right. And you could probably actually, as you can see with your hands, your thumb and finger, if you look really close, start removing everything and making the film, getting down to the acetate. See there? Already. So keep moving this around and letting it sit. Okay, so you can see the film becoming, the acetate becoming more and more clean. This process takes longer and it just has to be done by hand. Alright? Just rub it right off of there. Okay? In a moment I'll show you a bit of another method. Keep moving it around in here. And moving that off. Okay. Okay, now you can start to see it's really clear. I would also suggest changing this bleach and starting it again if you like. This process takes a while, maybe, I don't know, about 15 minutes, something like that, until it finally just comes off. But you'll get it off there. And you can use your choice of white cotton gloves like I'm doing, or latex, which is good, and you will end up with some clear DIY leader for your movie. Alright, if you find this stuff inexpensively with Super 8 film, sometimes you can get it for really cheap. And there you have it. Okay? Maybe about $5–10 US. It can be done. You can find it for that price. And there's another good shot of everything really clear and coming off. Alright, so there you go. Look at the acetate. See how clean it is right there? And there you are. Okay, it can take longer to pull it off there, but you'll get it off there. Alright. Again, I took about, I don't know, 15–20 minutes in this off of there. And I have some DIY leader. I didn't pay too much for this. Sometimes you buy a camera, you might get the cartridge film free in there. And there you are. Okay, so again, there you go. You have some clear leader DIY right there. You can write on this, label your films and that type of thing. And it probably didn't cost you very much if you got it free when you purchased a camera, if it was inside the camera, or you found the film very cheap, the film cartridge. There you go. So remember, everyone, when you get these free or for very cheap, this is a method you can use. Do understand, after you finish the process with the acetate in there, wash it off with water, and that will clean everything off, okay? Of course. And there you have it. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.